What if one of the most loved lightweight trail bikes returned in 2026, smarter, tougher, and ready for modern roads? The 2026 Honda XL185S could be the perfect mix of classic adventure style and everyday practicality. If Honda brings this legend back, it may become one of the most exciting small dual-sport bikes for. The Honda XL series built a strong reputation for being dependable, lightweight, and capable on both streets and dirt trails. The 2026 XL185S would likely continue that tradition with a retro-inspired design, upright riding position, and practical build quality. It would be a bike made for riders who enjoy freedom more than flashy technology. The new XL185S could feature a modern 185 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with fuel injection for smoother throttle response and better fuel economy. Expect enough power for city riding, back roads, and light off-road adventures. A 5-speed gearbox would keep it simple and fun, while Honda's engineering would focus on long-term reliability. One of the biggest strengths of this bike would be lightweight handling. Easy to control, easy to park, and confidence-inspiring for beginners. Long travel suspension and dual-purpose tires could make rough roads feel easier, while the comfortable seat and upright bars would be great for daily commuting. Even a simple bike in 2026 should include useful upgrades. LED lighting, digital display, USB charging port, front disc brake with ABS, and improved suspension would make this bike ready for today's riders without losing its old-school charm. Many riders today want affordable motorcycles that are fun, dependable, and easy to maintain. The 2026 Honda XL185S could fill that gap perfectly. It would attract beginners, commuters, collectors, and adventure lovers who miss simple motorcycles. This video is based on expected features, industry trends, and enthusiast speculation. Honda has not officially confirmed all details of the 2026 Honda XL185S. Final production specifications may be